Hi, this is David DeBose, the PA coach. I want to shoot a video today talking to you about preparing to write your essay. You know, when you're sitting down to write that dreadful narrative essay for PA school, it can become quite, overwhelming sometimes. But I want you to do an exercise as you sit down to write that may help you bring out some thoughts or some things that you hadn't thought about before. All right? Number one, your top 10 reasons why you want to be a PA. When you do that exercise, a lot of things will come out of you that you didn't think of. And it may take you 2 or 3 days to come up with 10 good reasons. But think about that. The top 10 reasons why you want to become a PA. Second thing to do. The top 5 reasons why, as an admissions committee, we should accept you into our program. What do you bring to the table? What will you bring to the table, our profession, as the PA profession? Lastly, write this category down. Maturity. Second category, leadership. Third category, teamwork. Fourth category, passion for PA, right? Fifth category, passion for medicine. Underneath those 5 categories, jot down items that fit. Maturity, leadership, teamwork. Jot down those past experiences or current experiences that fit into those criteria. And once you do this exercise, you may have enough material to sit down and make that first draft pretty comprehensive, to where you won't have to be writing over and over and over and over and over again. So that's a good little exercise to do in your preparation to write. So as you start to write that essay, which, believe me, is a huge component in you getting into PA school. So as you start to write it, now you have more material to work with, and you won't feel so overwhelmed and so lost and sitting down trying to come from your brain at one time with all of this information. All right? Once again, this is David, the PA coach, as always, helping you get into PA school.